discuss about the topic Unified Force, அனைத்து இயக்க பேராற்றல். The ultimate goal of the natural potential of mankind is to know the evolution and function of the universe and to know all about self. As man is a sophisticated living being in the evolutionary stages of the universe, the aspiration to know about the secret of the universe and self is an inborn potential. Until one realizes the purpose of his existence and never failing precisional law of the universe, he cannot lead a satisfactory and peaceful life. Let us listen to Swamiji experience in his own words. Existence and functions of the universe arose in me in my youth. As I was only a handloom weaver, I had no opportunity to share the knowledge of educated members of the society, but my yearning towards the cosmic consciousness increased day by day and year after year. I had the opportunity to learn psychic practice of inner travel, fixing the mind on the biomagnetic wave at the point of the endocrine glands, from the Muladhara chakra to the crown chakra, which combines the pituitary and pineal gland. Within a few years of regular practice of such meditations, mornings and evenings, I experienced several stages of the transcendental state of consciousness appropriate to the reduction of mental frequencies. It was a great wonder to see that each stage of the transcendent consciousness revealed certain secrets of nature which are subjective and cannot be perceived by the sense. Finally, one day in my 34th year, 1945, I felt the whole spectrum of the universe blossom into my consciousness. I could understand many secrets of the universe and the evolution and function. I was filled with the great satisfaction and ecstasy. I had no words to express my divine joy. Swamiji said, please envision the whole universe. You are able to see millions of stars and planets. They are at various distance and of multifarious volumes and with different characteristics of magnetic, electrical, and chemical qualities. Among all of them, one common feature is existence. Without a doubt, all are the association of minute energy particles. Every perceivable appearance is the associated mass of energy particles. Beyond and apart from the energy particle, what else remains in the universe? Only the eternal space remains. So there are two main principles, space and energy particles, which represent the whole universe. Man is a marvelous living being designed by nature with three wonderful layers: physical, astral, and magnetic. Physical body is a structure of limited volume, force, time, and distance. The physical body is separate and isolated from others. Astral body is a group of energy particles linked with the immediate energy field and with the whole function universal field. Magnetic body is connected with the unified force and thereby is connected with all things and at all places of the universe. So every moment and action in the universe reflects on the mankind and affect the body and mind appropriately. Most of the time, one's mind is conditioned with material experience, thereby people are getting tension and emotional mood in life. By knowing the truth, mankind will get expansion of mind to greater extent, which will give mental relaxation and freedom from the undue attachments. Such expansion help in realization of truth. With the help of master and through recognition and purification of genetic center. Thank you, Amma, for a wonderful opportunity. Be blessed by the divine.
Thank you, Amma. Nice thought, Amma. Shall we conclude the session, Amma?